you are so enthusiastic and you feel so good about it. When you start to inculcate a good habit in your daily routine, but within few days your enthu goes down, you are not the one. It happens to everybody, and I got a solution for this problem today. Hey friend, this is Harpreet and welcome to my channel Harry Style. I know most of you are trying to adapt to positive habits in your routine, but it's difficult to be consistent with those habits. I always had issues to be consistent with the habit when I'm traveling. It's difficult to follow the habits when you are on the go, when you are going for a holiday. For example, stretching exercises. I always want to be consistent with that, but when I am on the go, it was difficult to follow that routine. Also, when I'm back, I have to push myself so hard to get back to the routine habits. No matter how hard you try, it is always difficult to keep up with that activity in your daily routine. So today's video is all about how you can make an activity as your habit, how you can track that, and how you can be consistent with that. So let's get started. You need to draw something like this, or if you want, you can make the same on the MX Excel on your computer and get a printout. This section is to write the habits you would like to start and be realistic with the habits you want to start. Putting the difficult ones will not help, rather put the easy ones which you always want to follow in your daily routine. And now draw these small columns, 31 in numbers, which are actually dates. So now what you have to do is tick the habit you have done on that day at the end of the day. In the beginning, if you do not manage to complete a lot of activities, don't get demotivated, because you would continue to see this tracker daily and you would see that what activities you are able to do in a particular day, and then you can focus on those activities which you are unable to do, or it's difficult for you to follow those activities. When doing this tracker, ensure tracking it every day so that at the end of the month you would know that what all activities you were able to do most of the days, or what activities you have done for less number of days, so that next month when you start with the new activity tracker, you will be able to focus on those activities which were hard for you to be consistent with that. Also, you can see these arrows. These arrows are weekend, Saturday and Sunday, just to see if I am able to perform lot of activities during the weekend, or how my weekend goes, just to see how I am able to perform on the weekends. This tracker definitely helped me wherein I am traveling, and when I'm back, it was always difficult for me to get back to those habits. So this tracker helped me to get back to the routine quickly. I hope this video is helpful to you, and definitely this tracker would help you to keep up with lot of habits, lot of positive habits. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also share it with your friends so that they can also do this kind of tracking and keep themselves consistent with that and increase their productivity. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you want to follow me, you can follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook handle. So I will see you soon. Till then, bye.